Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unbagging from Nadine West. Have some clothing here, 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So I will show you what those look like and take pictures at the end so you can see the full body shots of those. This is really cute, I could already tell. This must be the dress. Oh gosh, that's really pretty. I love that color. It's a nice peach. Time and Honey is the brand. Very pretty sleeve. What I could already tell is this is a little bit thicker. So many women's outfits are so thin. Like you can see your bra through it, but that's nice thick. It looks like it will be short though, but yeah, that's pretty. Very cute. And that, I'm going to try to tell you the retail prices because I'm really bad about that, but I always have them below in the description box. That dress retails for $41.99. And these are some skinnies, I think. Are they both the same price? Looks like I have 2 different bottoms. These are $38.49, I believe. They're interesting. They're high-waisted, and they got this little crisscross thing. Really thick band. It's this thick right here. Stretchy. Those are cute. I was wrong. Those are $23.99. So these are the gray pants. These are $38.49. And those definitely seem like something I'd wear just like plain leggings, jeggings, stretchy. Those are cute. Then we have a green top. This is $35.99. The sleeves kind of fan out like that. Slight V-neck. And then it's scooped at the bottom. Cute. Is my necklace buried and I just overlooked it? Or I'll have to go back and look here in a second. This is the next top. They do send me a lot with like lace sleeves and I think they're cute. I actually think I have this exact one in a different color. I think I have it in green. So it has a really pretty lace rose pattern. And this one is $31.99. And it's pretty long. It does have like a high-low, so it's longer in the back. That's really cute. So, typically the necklaces or the jewelry, whatever jewelry you get, are kind of wrapped up with the clothing. So let me take a look, see if I can find it. Yeah, I looked through the bag and all the paper and all the clothing and it's not in there. So just an accident, they left it out. But it was supposed to be a long gold tassel necklace for $39.99. It's not focusing, but they give you a little sheet, tells you how much everything is. That way, if you want it, that's what you keep and that's what you get charged for. If you don't want it, you put it back in the bag with the label that they give you and just send it back and you won't be charged for it. So it's really easy. And the jewelry does come in like a little hot pink mesh bag, so it's typically really easy to spot, but I could see how it would be easy to leave out when you're packaging too. So I will go ahead and insert the pictures if you guys are interested. All the information is always in the description box below, and I will put the link and promo code if there is one and all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.